how to do a green screen in CapCut. So if you want to do a green screen in CapCut, then what you need to do is first open up your CapCut application, go with a new project, and after that select the background of the video and then go with add, which is on the bottom right. Now once you've added the background, you can enlarge that. Now once you have the video, what you need to do is just go with the effects. Under effects, go with video effects, and under video effects you need to search for the blur effect. Once you got the blur, you can simply tap on blur, add that blur. Once you've added, you need to simply go with the tick, which is on the right side, and then add that blur to the whole video. Now you just need to simply go back, again go back, and then go with overlay, tap on overlay and choose the green screen video, go with add, which is on the right side. Now enlarge that video. Once you've enlarged, you just need to simply select the overlay video and then swipe right, and here you will get the option of cutout. So you can simply go with cutout or the chroma key option, or you can go with remove BG, and here you will have chroma key option. Tap on chroma key and then select the chroma key to the green side, and after that you just need to simply go with intensity, and then you can extend the intensity. I'll be choosing this much. Then you can go with shadow and feather edge or everything. And once you've done that, go with the tick, which is on the right side. Now if you play the video, you can see that it's done. So that's how you can do a green screen in CapCut with chroma key. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.